we're just getting ready to head out here. So Brody's in her jacket, but I wanted to pop on for a quick minute just to talk about duo palettes that we have. So not a lot of the times, but sometimes I get asked questions like posted in the description. I have a really hard time finding a foundation that matches my skin. What do I do? Or maybe you self-tan. So sometimes when you're self-tanned, you're darker, and then you're a little bit lighter when it wears off, or if you feel like you didn't have time to self-tan that week or whatever. And then another question that I get is, I am really dark in the summer, and then when I don't tan, when it's not summertime, in the wintertime, my tan completely fades and I am very pasty. So I need 2 foundations. What do you recommend? So I wanted to show you guys a few really awesome duos that we have that you maybe didn't know about, because you'll often see me talk about the Perfect Complexion palette, which is 2 concealers, 1 foundation. But not everybody needs a foundation or wants a foundation, because lots of the times people just want a quick foundation all over and go. And so you can get your foundation also in these duo palettes, and I've linked these all in the description, so you guys can check them out if you have any more questions on them. But here, this is what I am in the summertime, and then this is my winter shade. So I have olive 3 and olive 2. But let's say that you go, maybe you're not totally warm and you're not totally cool, you're kind of somewhere in between. Like so for Lime Life, the Shintos are the warm shades and the olives are the cool shades. And if you find that the cool shades are a bit too pink on your skin, but the warm shades are too yellow, you would want to find the level of foundation you are, get one on the warm side, one on the cool side, and mix those 2. And so this palette would be really good for customizing that neutral shade for yourself. And then if you're maybe not a cream foundation wearer, there is the duo powder, which I've also linked. I have my translucent powder in here, and that's what I set my highlighted areas with. And then this is my all over foundation color to set the rest of my face. But you could do a light shade for winter and a dark shade for summer, or if you're tanned or whatever. So that is an option for powder. So you can wear the powders with the creams, or you can just wear the powders, or you can just wear the creams. And then lastly, just because we're talking about duos, this one is actually the trio that comes in the starter kit, but you can get this so it's just the 2. So then you would put your bronzer and your blusher. I just have my highlight shade in there as well, but you could just do bronzer, blusher. Then if you check this out, this stack of palettes right here, if you just tossed in your eyeshadow palette, that is everything you need for your makeup. So amazingly compact. Like the little tiny makeup bag that you need to house this little bit of makeup is so awesome. So you'd have your foundations, your powders, blushers, bronzers, all right here. So if you guys have any more questions on that, feel free to toss me a message, but we have to head out now. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.